What's the ruling on the fine or the penalty for late payment? The scholars say that this is riba. So if I have to pay installments every month and I defaulted in a month or two, and according to the contract, if I default, then I have to pay 5% as a fine. This is riba. Some Islamic banks manipulated this and said that, yes, we will take the fine and put it in masjids or for charity, not for us. It's still riba. Any increase over a loan due to the late payment or due to paying it late, not on time, in exchange of time or extension of the period, this is riba. So what is the ruling on applying for such schools and universities when this is the norm? As long as you are paying it on time, akhi, you have no problem, insha'Allah, and there's nothing for you to worry about it.